Finding your safe's model and serial number is crucial for various reasons. It's like having your safe's unique ID. This information is vital for maintenance, warranty claims, and even if you need to order replacement parts. Without it, identifying your specific safe model can be a challenge, making support difficult. The most common place to find this information is usually on the safe door, either on the inside or along the edges. Sometimes it's on the outside, perhaps on the back or bottom, but this is less common. Look for a small metal plate, a sticker, or even an engraved marking. The serial number is typically a longer string of alphanumeric characters. The model number might be shorter and often includes letters and numbers, indicating the safe series or type. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to open the safe and check inside the door frame or on the interior walls. Some manufacturers place this information on the hinge side of the door when it's open. For fire-rated safes, sometimes the information is located within the fire-resistant material lining the door. If your safe has a keypad, sometimes the model number is printed on the keypad assembly itself. Always remember to record this information and keep it in a safe, accessible place separate from your safe. If you still can't find it, contacting the manufacturer directly with photos of your safe can often help them identify it for you. Knowing your safe's details ensures you're prepared for any future needs or inquiries.